Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. I'm still on the series Coordinate Geometry 1, which is about straight lines. I've already made 4 videos on this particular topic, so I'll urge you to go back and then watch them. That will enhance your understanding of this topic. Today I'm looking at equation of a straight line, and I have about 4 cases that I'm going to consider. So the first one, which is case 1, is gradient intercept 4. Now this is all about finding the equation of a straight line, giving the gradient and the intercept 4. And it is given by y is equal to mx plus c, where this m here is the gradient of the line, and then c is the intercept on y axis. So assuming that we have xy plane, so where the line cuts the x axis is your c. This is c. Let's solve some example. Find the equation of a line with the gradient 2 on 5 and intercept on y axis is minus 3. So from the question, our gradient is 2 on 5, then intercept on y axis is minus 3. The equation is y is equal to mx plus c. So what it means is that we just substitute these values. So y is equal to 2 on 5 x plus minus 3. So we have y is equal to 2 on 5 x minus 3. You need to clear the fraction, and the LCM is 5. So which means that we multiply through by 5. On the left hand side we have 5y, and here 5 will cancel 5, so it will be left with 2x minus 15. So we can move all of them to the left hand side, or you leave it as it is. So we have 5y minus 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. So that is the equation. Let's look at the second case. So case 2, this is where the gradient and 1 point on the line. So if that's the case, then you use this formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. y1 and then x1 is a point on the line, then x and y are also points on the line. So x1, y1 will also. Let's take this example. A straight line has a gradient of minus 3 on 2 and passes through the point 1, 4. We have to find its equation. So we know the equation of a line is given by y minus y1, which is equal to m times x minus x1. So our m is given as minus 3 on 2. So x1 is the given point, which is 1. y1 is the given point, which is 4. So we just have to substitute. This implies that y minus 4 is equal to minus 3 on 2 times x minus 1. So we have a fraction here, so we need to multiply through by 2. And when we do that, 2 times 1, we have 2y minus 8, which is equal to minus 3 times x minus 1. Here the 2 will cancel the 2. We then open the bracket. So 2y minus 8, which is equal to minus 3x plus 3. Minus times minus. So we can then rearrange them, bringing all of them to the left hand side. So 2y plus 3x minus 8 minus 3 is equal to 0. So we have 2y plus 3x minus 11 is equal to 0. So that is the equation of the line. So let's look at the next case. I think this is case 3, and with this 2 points will be given. Here the gradient will not be given, so you have to find the gradient first before you use it to form the equation. Okay, so and then you use the general one. This is the general form. Yes, let's take the example. Find the equation of the line which passes through the point 2, 3 and then 3, 6. So we need to find the gradient first. So gradient slope, which is y2 minus y1 over s2 minus x1. So assuming that this is x1, obviously this will be y1, and then this will be s2 y2. So let's substitute it in the formula. So y2 is 6, then y1 is 3 over x2 is 3, y1 is 2. So we have 6 minus 3 is 3 over 3 minus 1, 1. So you have your 3. Then use this and any of the points. You can use this point, you can use that point. Okay. We know the equation is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. So using the point 2, 3, we have y minus y1 obviously with 3, which is equal to gradient is 3 times x minus 2. So y minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 6. Okay, let's bring this one to this side, all of them. So y minus 3x. Now when this comes to the left hand side, minus 3 plus 6, get 3, which is equal to 0. So that is the equation of the line giving 2 points. So let's look at the last case, which is intercept 4. Intercept 4. Now when you say intercept, assuming that you have xy plane. So this is your x, this is your y. And you have a line which cuts y and then at the same time x. So where it cuts the x-axis, let's represent it by A. Where it cuts the y-axis, let's represent it by B. So if you have this situation, then the equation will be x over the intercept on x-axis plus y over intercept on y-axis is equal to 1. Let's take some example. Find the equation of a straight line which intercepts the x-axis at 5 and the y-axis at. So A becomes 5 and then B minus 2. You know the equation is x over its intercept plus y over its intercept is equal to 1. If that is the case, let's substitute x over 5 plus y over minus 2 is equal to 1. We can rewrite it as x over 5 minus y over 2, which is equal to 1. The minus affected the plus here. So the LCM is 10. So we multiply through by 10. When we do that, we have 2x minus 5y, which is equal to 10. All of them to the left hand side. Then you are going to have 2x minus 5y minus 10 is equal to 0. Thank you very much, viewers, for watching this video.